Number 6, indices, base and index. See here 2 is the base and 8 is the index or the exponent. Means see 2 raised to 8. The reading is 2 raised to 8 and here 2 is base and 8 is index. See, similarly 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 5 is base and how many times 5 are multiplied by? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 5 raised to 4. 5 is base and 4 is index. Read a raised to m as a raised to the power m or the mth power of a. How to read this? A raised to m or a raised to the power m or the mth power of a. You can read in any way. Here m is a natural number. See, m is always a natural number. Here one example is given, 5 raised to 4. 5 raised to 4 means 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5. Means how many times you multiply by 5? Raised to means index is 4. Means you multiply 5 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 5 multiplied by 5, 25. 25 multiplied by 5, 125. And 125 multiplied by 5, 625. Means if you multiply by 5 4 times, your answer is 625. Therefore, the value of the number 5 raised to 4 is equal to 625. Similarly, minus 2 upon 3 raised to 3. See, here 3 is also natural number, 4 is natural number, 3 is natural number. Always remember that index is always a natural number. Minus 2 upon 3 raised to 3 means minus 2 upon 3. How many times multiply? 1, 2, 3 times. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 2, minus 8. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, 27. Means the value of minus 2 upon 3 raised to 3 is minus 8 upon 27. Note that 7 raised to 1 is equal to 7. Means अगर कौन से भी number क्या indices और अगर power is 1, then the answer is that number itself. The first power of any number is that number itself. See, similarly here 10 raised to 1 is equal to 10. 5 raised to 1 is equal to 5. A raised to 1 is equal to A. Square and cube. 3 square. Square means 3 multiplied by 3. You can read this 3 raised to 2 is read as 3 raised to 2 or 3 square or the square of 3. Means you can read this in 3 ways. 3 raised to 2, 3 square or the square of 3. Similarly here, if power is 2, it is called as a square, and if power is 3, then it is called as a cube. 5 raised to 3 means 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 5 raised to 3 is read as 5 raised to 3 or 5 cube of or cube of 5. Always remember, if index is 2, then this is called as a square, and index is 3, this is called as a cube. Multiplication of indices with the same base. Now see, 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 2 raised to 3. Which is the base? 2. Base is 2. Base is similar. See, here 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 3. Means base is common, 2 is the base. Now we are doing the multiplication of the indices with same base. See, 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 2 raised to 3. Now write down this 2 raised to 4. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. And this 2 raised to 3. How many times write the 2? 3 times. Means 2 raised to how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When what is the answer? 2 raised to 7. Means 2 raised to 4 multiplied by 2 raised to 3 is equal to 2 raised to. Now if multiplication is there, you add the indices. 2 write down as it is and index. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. See, here also we get the answer 2 raised to 7. And here is also our answer is 2 raised to 7. Means if multiplication is there, you add the indices. 4 plus 3, 7 means answer is 2 raised to 7. Similarly for this example, minus 3 base is common, minus 3 raised to 2 multiply by minus 3 raised to 3. Means see, minus 2 raised to 2 multiply by minus 3 raised to 3 is equal to minus 3 raised to, you just add the indices, 2 plus 3 5 means your answer is minus 3 raised to 5. Similarly for next example also, minus 2 upon 5 raised to 2 multiply by minus 2 upon 5 raised to 3. 3 plus 2 5 means your answer is minus 2 upon 5 raised to 5. See, means now what do you know? If a is a rational number and m and n are positive integers, then a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. If base is 7 and multiplication is there, then you add the indices. Now next, division of indices with the same base. Division. 6 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 2. Division is there, but base is same, 6, 6. 6 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 2. How many times write down? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 6 raised to 4. Index is 4. And for denominator, 6 multiplied by 6. Now see. 6, 6 and this 6, 6 will get cancelled. Means what is remaining? 6 multiplied by 6. Means 6 square. Therefore, 6 raised to 4 divided by 6 raised to 2 is equal to, if division is there, you subtract the indices. Subtract the index. Means 4 minus 2, 2 means answer is 6 raised to 2. Similarly for this example also, minus 2 raised to 5 divided by minus 2 raised to 3. Means your answer is minus 2 raised to 5 minus 3 is 2 means your answer is 2. See, if a is a non-zero rational number and m and n are positive integers, then m is greater than n. m is greater than n. जो फर्स्ट नंबर है वो हमेशा ग्रेटर होना चाहिए, उसका इंडासेस जो भी है वो ग्रेटर होना चाहिए. देन a raised to m upon a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. You just only remind this, if multiplication is there, add the indices, and division is there, subtract the indices. The meaning of a raised to 0. If a is not equal to 0, then a raised to m upon a raised to m is equal to m. Why? Because here base and index both are same. A raised to m divided by a raised to m means a raised to m minus m. m में से m minus हो जाएगा, then what is remaining? 0 is remaining. Means a raised to 0 is equal to 1. How it is 1? A raised to m divided by a raised to m. A raised to m will get cancelled. Then what is remaining? 1. Therefore, a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Means if index is 0, answer is 1. The meaning of a raised to minus m. A raised to minus m is equal to a raised to minus m multiplied by 1. A raised to minus m multiplied by, instead of 1 we are writing a raised to m divided by a raised to m. Means 1. Now see, a raised to minus m plus n. Multiplication is there, you add the indices. Means a raised to minus m plus m divided by a raised to m. Now a raised to minus m plus m will get cancelled. Means a raised to 0 divided by a raised to m. A raised to 0 means, see, we have already learned a raised to 0 is equal to 1. Means a raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. See, you can learn only this formula, a raised to 0 is equal to 1, a raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. No need to remember how to solve this equation. You've only learned these formulas. Hence, we get the rule that if a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0 and m is a positive integer, then a upon b raised to minus m is equal to b upon a raised to m. If integer is minus, then write the number numerator in denominator, denominator in numerator, and make that indices positive. Means what is your formula? A upon b raised to minus m is equal to, see, b will come here, means b upon a raised to m. See here, one more example is given. 3 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 6. 3 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 6. Write down in 3 raised to 4 means you will write 3 how many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 upon 3 raised to 6 means 3 6 times. Now see how many 3's will cut. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 means what is remaining? 1 upon 3 multiplied by 3 means 3 square. 1 upon 3 square. And suppose we have already learned the formula a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. But here m is bigger. M is smaller. Means a raised to m means 4. The value of a is 3. Means what is the equation? 3 raised to 4 minus 6. Answer is 4 minus 6 minus 2. Means 1 upon 3 square. This is also right. And 3 raised to minus 2. This is also right. 3 upon 5 raised to 2 divided by 3 upon 5 raised to 5. After writing at the last, your answer is 1 upon 3 upon 5 raised to 3. And final answer 3 upon 5 raised to minus 3. This goes in upward direction. Then this 3 positive 3 is get converted into negative 3. Means your final answer is 3 upon 5 raised to minus 3. Both the examples are similar. If a is a rational number, a is not equal to 0 and m and n are positive integers, then a upon m divided by a upon n is equal to a raised to m minus n. You have learned all the formulas. The formula is useful for solving the problems.